Skansen is not merely a park, but a monument to Swedish national identity. Founded in 1891 by Artur Hazelius, it was born during an era of rapid change. Industrialization was erasing rural traditions. Hazelius decided to save the past by purchasing about 150 historic houses throughout Sweden, dismantling them piece by piece and rebuilding them here, on the island of Djurgården. Today, walking through Skansen means traversing 5 centuries of history, from the humble huts of the Sami people to grand aristocratic estates. An institution since 1903, the Skansen Christmas Market is considered one of the most authentic in Europe. Unlike modern markets, there is a strict respect for tradition here. The products on sale, both crafts and food, are strictly local. It was designed to recreate the atmosphere of a traditional Swedish town square from the 1800s. Walking through these stalls isn't just about shopping. It's about stepping back into a time when the scent of wood smoke and spices filled the air, and every gift was handmade by local artisans. The workshops transport us back to a Swedish town of the 18th and 19th centuries. Here, history is tangible, and the experience feels as though we have traveled back through an imaginary time machine. Inside the perfectly preserved interiors, interpreters in period clothing explain how people lived and worked before electricity. The scent of wood, wax, and ink is the same as it was 200 years ago.
Alla ser Lucia med här, ringer åt en stor förväntan. När ljuset låg och dansade omkring in i vinternatten kalla, då värms våra hjärtan åter till liv, ja, hon lyser för oss alla. Kom och alla se Lucia med här, i vita tärnor. Kom nu alla till Lucia väntar här, min frågar ledig bland stjärnor. När ljusets lågor dansar omkring i midvinternatten kalla, då värms våra hjärtan åter till liv, ja hon lyser för oss alla. Om nu alla ser Lucia väntar här, när våra kalla sinnen. Kom nu alla se Lucia väntar här och väcker liv i varma minnen. När ljusets lågor dansar omkring i midvinternatten kalla, då värms våra hjärtan åter till liv, ja hon lyser för oss alla. När ljusets lågor dansar omkring i midvinternatten kalla, då värms våra hjärtan åter till liv, ja hon lyser för oss alla.
The footage was captured on December 13th, seeking to best portray the charm of the Nordic winter. St. Lucia's Day marks the transition from darkness to light. The choir in traditional costume that you see is not just a performance. It represents a tradition that blends Christian elements with ancient pagan solstice rites. The melodies, often performed a cappella, serve to bring hope during the darkest period of the year. Leaving Skansen at sunset, as the candlelight begins to glow against the deep blue of the Nordic sky, leaves you with a rare feeling, that of having breathed for a few hours to the rhythm of a time that no longer exists. It is not just a museum, it is a sanctuary for the soul where history is not locked in a display case, but lives in the warmth of a crackling fireplace, the scent of cinnamon bread, and the clear carols of the St. Lucia youth. In a world that moves faster every day, Skansen reminds us of the importance of our roots and the beauty of stopping to listen to the silence of the snow and the wisdom of ancient crafts. It is a place where every stone and every wooden beam has a story to tell, and where the heart of Sweden beats, proud and unchanged, for over a century. I take the light of this day with me, knowing that as long as places like this exist, the past will never truly be lost. Thanks for exploring Skansen with me. If you liked the video, subscribe to join the community. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time on Sage Traveler.